See, what are the symptoms and risk factors associated with COVID-19? This is based on the clinical management of COVID-19 interim guidance by WHO published in May 2020. Clinical presentations. Signs and symptoms of COVID-19 can vary. Most persons experience fever 83 to 90%. Then cough 59 to 82%. Fatigue 44 to 70%. Anorexia, shortness of breath 31 to 40%. Myalgias. Other non-specific symptoms such as sore throat, nasal congestion, headache, diarrhea, nausea, vomiting have also been reported. Loss of smell, anosmia, loss of taste, ageusia, preceding the onset of respiratory symptoms has also been reported. Older people and immunosuppressed patients also presents with some atypical symptoms such as fatigue, reduced alertness, decreased alertness, decreased mobility, reduced mobility, diarrhea, loss of appetite, delirium, and absence of fever. Symptoms such as dyspnea, fever, GI symptoms or fatigue due to physiological adaptations in pregnant women, adverse pregnancy events or other diseases such as malaria may overlap with symptoms of COVID-19. Children might not have reported fever or cough as frequently as adults. The next about the risk factors for severe diseases. Age more than 60 years or increasing with age, risk increases with age. Underlying non-communicable diseases like diabetes, hypertension, cardiac diseases, chronic lung disease, cerebrovascular diseases or history of CVA, chronic kidney disease, immunosuppression, cancer, smoking. These are the risk factors for increased severity